garden. A quiet clue knows what belongs. Purpose shapes the unseen outline. Function calling for along. What appears incomplete still carries knowing. Every part remembers why. Inner order guides the structure. Truth assembles over time. I align with what I recognize. The pattern forms without command. What belongs responds with clarity. When I act in conscious accord. Awareness turns potential active. Recognition sets the way. When I move with inner principle, the pieces find their place. I align with what I recognize. The pattern forms without command. What belongs responds with clarity. When I act in conscious accord. The whole is shaped by what I honor. Understanding brings it.